Secants, tangent, and angle measures. This is found in chapter 10.6 of your textbook. In this video, we'll talk about what are secants and tangents and the theorems that are incorporated with them. A tangent is a line that touches the circle at exactly one point but does not intersect the circle. In this picture shown, line AB is a tangent to circle O, creating a 90-degree angle. The point of tangent C in this diagram would be at point A. A secant is a line that intersects a circle in exactly 2 points. In this picture shown, it shows a secant known as AB through the circle. If two secants or chords intersect in the interior of a circle, then the measure of an angle formed is half the sum of the measure of the arcs intercepted by the angle and its vertical angle. So in this diagram, you can see that angle 2 is equal to half the sum of the arcs BC and AD. If a secant and a tangent intersect at the point of tangency, then the measure of each angle formed is half the measure of its intercepted arc. So in this diagram, you can see that angle 1 is equal to half the measure of arc AB. Secants and tangents can also meet outside a circle. If two secants, a secant and a tangent, or two tangents intersect in the exterior of a circle, then the measure of the angle formed is half the difference of the measures of the intercepted arcs. So in this first diagram, you can conclude that angle A is equal to the difference of arc DE and arc DC. So in this first diagram, you can see that angle 1 is equal to half the measure of arc X in this first row. You can then see in the second row that the measure of angle 1 is equal to half the sum of arcs X and Y. In this last row, you can see that angle 1 is equal to half the difference of arcs X and Y.